Hello friends, today we'll dive into one of the most convenient and fast-growing crypto exchanges, BingX. This platform has become especially popular among beginners thanks to its simple interface, accessible tools, and the ability to use many features even without KYC. BingX is an official partner of Chelsea Football Club, which highlights its global status and high level of trust. The platform is actively evolving, adding new features and offering great bonuses for new users. In this video, I'll show you how to register on BingX, fund your account, trade on spot and futures, and most importantly, how to use the platform's most powerful tool, copy trading, which made BingX famous worldwide. I'll also explain how to claim a bonus of up to 11,000 USDT when you register through our link and enter promo code CP6969. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check the description. All useful links are there. Let's go. BingX is an international cryptocurrency exchange founded in 2018, focused primarily on convenience and simplicity. The platform quickly gained popularity because its interface is easy to understand even for those entering crypto for the first time. Today, millions of traders around the world use BingX, and the exchange consistently ranks among the top in copy trading and derivatives volume. One of BingX's main strengths is that many features are available without mandatory KYC. On the platform, you can access spot trading, futures, deposits and withdrawals, and copy trading, all without verification. KYC is only required for P2P and certain fiat operations. This makes BingX ideal both for beginners and for those who value privacy. The exchange is also renowned for its powerful copy trading tool. BingX is one of the largest platforms in the world for copying professional traders' strategies. Detailed statistics, transparent trade history, and a user-friendly interface make this tool extremely easy to use. BingX meets global standards. Most assets are stored in cold wallets, and the exchange regularly verifies reserves through proof of reserves. It's important to note that our community works directly with BingX. If you register via our link and join our trading chat, we can help resolve complex financial issues much faster thanks to our direct line of communication with exchange representatives. The link to the trading chat is in the description under the video. BingX continues to grow, adding new tools and remaining one of the most convenient, clear, and user-friendly exchanges for beginners and for those who want to earn passive income through copy trading. BingX, simple, dynamic, and built for traders at every level. Getting started with BingX is quick and easy. The whole process takes less than a minute. Follow the link in the description under the video. This is our official partner link with promo code CP6969, which activates a bonus of up to 11,000 USDT for new users. Enter your email or phone number. Create a strong password and select your region. Confirm agreement with the terms and click Create Account. A confirmation code will be sent to your email or phone. Enter it on the BingX website. And don't forget to check the description. There are lots of useful links waiting for you. After registration, the very first step is enabling two-factor authentication. 2FA, a mandatory measure to protect your account and funds. Click the profile icon in the top right corner and select Security Center. In the Security section, enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. Choose what you want to protect: account login, withdrawals, password, or settings changes. Install the Google Authenticator app on your phone. Scan the QR code that appears on the BingX site. Enter the 6-digit code to confirm. Be sure to save the backup key. It will be essential if you lose your phone. Once 2FA is enabled, deposits and withdrawals will only be possible with code confirmation, fully protecting your account even if your password is compromised. BingX is one of the few major exchanges where you can use most features even without KYC. But if you need higher limits, P2P trading, or full access to all products, it's better to complete identity verification. How to verify your account? Click the profile icon in the top right corner and select Identity Verification. Choose your country of residence. Select a document: passport, ID card, or driver's license. Upload a photo of the document and take a selfie. The system will check automatically. Enter your residential address and submit the application. Verification usually takes from a few minutes to an hour. Once approved, your status will change to verified, unlocking higher limits, P2P, fiat methods, and maximum privileges. Reminder, links to all top exchanges, wallets, and services with exclusive bonuses are in the description under the video. BingX supports several convenient deposit methods: cryptocurrency, P2P, and online exchangers. All options are fast and suitable for both beginners and experienced users. Method 1. Deposit with cryptocurrency. Perfect if you already own crypto. In the top right corner, click Assets, select the desired account, for example, fund account, then click Deposit. Choose a coin, for example, USDT. Select the network, TRC20, ERC20, BNB chain, Arbitrum, etc. Copy the deposit address provided by the system. Send funds from another wallet or exchange. Important, the sending network must fully match the deposit network. A mismatch equals complete loss of funds. Method 2. Deposit via P2P. Allows you to buy USDT directly with a bank card from verified sellers. Go to Buy Crypto, P2P, select your currency and payment method. Find a seller with a high rating. Enter the amount and create the order. Transfer money to the seller. Click Confirm Payment. Once the seller confirms, the coins are automatically credited to your balance. Method 3. Deposit via exchanger. Best if P2P is unavailable or you need a quick transfer. Follow the exchanger link in the description. In the left column, select your bank or payment system. In the right column, choose the coin, like USDT, TRC20. Paste your BingX deposit address. Complete the payment. Within minutes, the coins will arrive in your balance. On BingX, you can withdraw both cryptocurrency and fiat via P2P or exchangers. The process is identical to deposits, just in reverse, so everything is simple, fast, and familiar. Spot trading. Spot trading on BingX is the standard buying and selling of cryptocurrency at the current price or at a price you set manually. All operations are carried out through the spot section. Find the trading pair you need, for example, BTC USDT. At the bottom, choose the order type. Market, the trade executes at the current price. Limit, you set your own buy or sell price. Enter the amount or number of coins. Click buy or sell. Once the order is executed, the coins are immediately credited to your spot account. You can withdraw them, convert them, or use them in other sections of the platform. Futures on BingX are accessed through the separate futures section. Here you can profit both from rising and falling prices by using leverage. In the top menu, select futures. Choose the contract type and trading pair like BTC USDT. Set the leverage. BingX allows from 1 to 100. Beginners should start small. Define the trade direction. Long, if you expect the price to rise. Short, if you expect the price to fall. Choose the order type, market, limit or stop, enter the trade amount, set stop loss and take profit levels, click open position. All active trades are displayed at the bottom of the terminal, where you can monitor P&L, adjust stops, or close positions partially or fully. And if you want to learn how to invest and trade the right way, join our Telegram channel. We explain complex things in simple language, link under the video. Copy trading is one of BingX's strongest features. The exchange is considered a global leader in trade copying, offering a huge selection of traders with different strategies and risk levels. This format is perfect for those who want to earn in the market without analyzing charts or opening trades manually. How to connect to copy trading. In the top menu, select copy trading. A list of traders will appear. Each profile shows ROI, return on investment, risk level, number of followers, active trades, trading history. Choose a trader whose style suits you and click follow. Enter the amount you want to allocate for copying. Confirm the connection. From that moment, all trades of the chosen trader will automatically be mirrored in your account, proportional to the allocated amount. If the trader opens or closes a position, the same happens for you. BingX provides flexible tools to control risk, maximum trade size, loss limit, number of simultaneously open positions, auto stop copying once a loss limit is reached. At any time, you can pause copying, close individual trades, or disconnect completely. Professional traders receive a percentage of their followers' profits. This motivates them to trade carefully and maintain stable results, making copy trading on BingX one of the most popular in the market. BingX, simple spot trading, powerful futures, and world-class copy trading in one place. BingX offers a set of ready-made trading bots that allow you to automate strategies and trade without constantly watching charts. This is especially convenient for those who want to earn in the long term or maintain positions steadily according to a chosen logic. Types of bots. Several formats of automated trading are available on BingX. Spot Grid buys at lower prices and sells at higher ones using market volatility. Futures Grid, similar grid strategy but works on futures with leverage. Martingale Bot, DCA, increases trade volume during corrections to recover faster when the price bounces back. AI bots, strategies with automatically optimized parameters for current market conditions. How to launch a bot? Hover over the assets icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select bot account. Click create or choose the bot type. Spot Grid, Futures Grid, Martingale, or AI strategy. Select a trading pair, for example BTC USDT. Configure parameters manually. Price range, number of levels, investment volume, leverage if using Futures Grid, or choose AI recommended so the system automatically sets optimal parameters. Enter the amount you want to allocate to the bot. Click create. Once activated, the bot works fully automatically, buys assets during dips, sells during rises, maintains the strategy 24/7, locks in profit without your direct involvement. At any time you can, stop the bot, adjust parameters, withdraw part of the profit, view full performance statistics, detailed reports. BingX provides a complete report on all operations, income, auto grid, profitability, risks, and strategy dynamics. Trading bots on BingX are your personal assistant running 24/7 and turning market movements into consistent profit. On BingX, the passive income section is called Wealth. It's a set of tools where your crypto works for you. Flexible, secure, and with enhanced returns. What's inside? Earn. The most straightforward and reliable products. Flexible term, withdraw funds anytime. Fixed term, higher returns, a great option to deposit and earn interest. Shark Fin, a protected product with boosted yield. If the price stays within range, maximum profit. If not, your principal remains protected. Dual investments, higher yield for those who want to profit from price movements. Payouts can be in one of two assets, depending on the market. Loans, borrow liquidity against your crypto collateral without selling your coins. How to use. Go to Wealth, choose a product and coin, enter the amount, that's it. Interest accrues automatically and you can track statistics and assets. Wealth account. Wealth is the perfect option for those who want stable passive income without spending all day on charts. If you still have questions, join our private referral chat. We'll answer everything and help you figure things out. The link is also under the video. BingX has a convenient and intuitive mobile app that fully mirrors the functionality of the web version. Through it, you can register, fund your account, trade, launch bots, use P2P, copy trading, and the wealth section, all in one interface. The app runs fast and stable, doesn't freeze when opening trades, and supports the full functionality of futures, including leverage, order types, and position management. All actions are instantly synchronized with the web version, so you can easily switch between computer and phone. For those who trade actively or on the go, the BingX mobile app is truly convenient and perfectly suited for daily use. BingX is one of the most reliable exchanges in its segment. The platform has been operating since 2018 and has had no major hacks during this time. Key protection elements, cold storage of assets, most funds are kept in offline wallets, proof of reserves, the exchange confirms that all user balances are 100% backed. 2FA for all critical actions, login, withdrawals, and settings changes. Notifications for all operations, logins, transactions, and security updates. Withdrawal protection, mandatory 2FA confirmation before any transaction. Thanks to this architecture, BingX ensures a high level of account and asset security comparable to top global exchanges. BingX actively rewards new users. If you register via our link and use the promo code CP6969, you can receive bonuses of up to 11,000 USDT. The amount depends on your deposit, trading volume, and participation in specific promotions. How to claim your bonus. Register via the link in the description, fund your account, and complete the welcome program requirements. Receive bonuses that can be used in trading. BingX also has its own referral program. In your account dashboard, open Invite Friends. Copy your referral link. When invited users start trading, you'll earn a percentage of their fees. The exchange also runs temporary promotions and giveaways, so there's always a chance to earn extra rewards. And if you haven't yet liked the video or subscribed to the channel, now's the time. Links to our Telegram, top exchanges, and wallets are in the description. BingX is not just an exchange, but a universal platform for trading, investing, and passive income. It's convenient for both beginners and experienced traders. Fast interface, deep futures liquidity, copy trading, trading bots, wealth products, P2P marketplace. The exchange is perfect for those who want to trade without mandatory KYC, use advanced tools, earn passive income, profit from copy trading and automation, work through a convenient mobile app. BingX is actively evolving, adding new features, and becoming increasingly popular among traders worldwide. If you want to trade comfortably efficiently and unlock maximum opportunities, BingX is an excellent choice. Follow the link in the description, register, claim your bonuses, and join our trading chat. There we help referrals solve complex issues and get up to speed in crypto faster.